So today I'm going to make a video of how to install roof tile mechanical clips. A lot of people are using valley clips that they purchased from us and using them to mechanically fasten down roof tiles. You can, but they're not really designed for that. So today I'm going to show you the roof tile mechanical clips, which you can get from our website, and how you can do it yourself. Otherwise you can just use standard clout nails. You can buy them from Bunnings, buy them from us, it doesn't really matter. Standard clout nails work just as good, but there is a few little knickknacks between clout nails and mechanical roof tile clips. But remember, the top row has to come off to get to these clips. That's why most people prefer the clouts, because clout nails are just simple. You put the clout nail straight through there, which holds the tile in place, which I'll show you now exactly what I mean. So you grab a hammer, any hammer, doesn't really matter. This is the mechanical tile clip. The nail part, so the flat part goes onto the tile, and the one that's shaped like a spear goes onto the batten like this, and then with the hammer just lightly tap it in. You can hit it harder than that, but I'm doing really gentle just so I can show you that if you're very precautious, you can just do it soft taps like this. Go. Very simple, just like that. And for a clout nail, straight through the pre-drilled hole, you get the clout straight in. As you hit the batten, you can hear it hitting the batten. You need to go minimum of 15 mil into the batten to comply, so this is more than enough. Beautiful, nice and flush. If you're extra paranoid, you can wipe this down with a rag and put a little bit of beta silicone just so no water gets in, and then you apply your head lap just like that, and this tile isn't going to go anywhere. As you can see, I can barely lift it up, so it's nice and tight. Beautiful. See up close how it's nice and flush, but you can see there's still a little bit of a gap. This is why not many people like to use clout nails. Some holes are perfect where the clout just perfectly seals the hole, but sometimes it's off like this. That's why a bit of dab of silicone will fix. Otherwise, you use mechanical clips like this, and this prevents penetrating through the tile.